Hello, student. Welcome on my YouTube channel, Fantabulous Maths. We already discussed about the topic set. In previous lecture, we completed the writing methods of the set. There are two methods. In that, first method is a listing method, and we were completed that lecture. आपल्यापैकी ज्यांनी कुणी पाहिलं नसेल त्यांनी YouTube चॅनलवरती जाऊन हे लेक्चर्स आपण पाहू शकता. Now today we are going to learn the second method of writing of the set, and it is called the rule method or set builder form. If you read the name of that, it is the rule. Rule means the property. So we are using to write the set here the property of that variable for writing the set. Means here what? In that method, we are not writing list of element, but we write the general element by variable, by using variable followed by vertical line, or it is also called colon. We are taking some example to explain what is mean by rule method or set builder form. So I'm going to take some examples. Suppose I'm taking a set A. X is a variable that is called vertical line or colon. X is the element of capital N. N means it is a natural number, and the natural numbers are between 2 and 9. How read it? So observe that A is the set of all X such that X is natural numbers between 2 and 9. That is the exact reading of above example. Are you getting my point? Above example, we are going to convert rule method into listing method. Now, same example in listing methods. It is a natural numbers. Observe that here. It is a natural numbers between 2 and 9. Which are the all numbers between 2 and 9? It is the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Student, now we are going to take second example. Second example is what? Suppose I'm going to take B is equal to, suppose, Y such that Y is odd numbers, comma, and it is the from 1 to 10. It is between from 1 to 10. So how read it? B is the set of all Y element such that Y is odd numbers between 1 and 10. So after learning the two concept, listing method and rule method, now we are going to take some example. Some examples are converted listing to rule, and some examples are converted to rule into listing. First example is A is equal to 2468. You have to just identify what is properties here. What is property? I think it is located even number, but all even numbers are not there. It is limited even numbers. So we make A is equal to, we are taking any variable. तुम्ही कोणतेही व्हेरिएबल घेऊ शकता, एक्स वाय झेड वॉट एव्हर मे बी. सपोज आय एम टेकिंग एक्स इज अ व्हेरिएबल, वर्टिकल लाईन्स मीन्स सच दॅट, और इट इज सच दॅट, एक्स सच दॅट. आता एक्सचं वर्णन पुढे लिहायचंय आपल्याला, या पुढच्या पार्ट मध्ये लिहायचंय. सो हाऊ राईट इट? 2468 is what? 2468 is an even number. So we are writing here x is even number. पण ते कसे आहेत ते कॉमा करून लिहू, त्यांचं लिमिट लिहू आपण. x is greater than 1 and less than 9. So it is the, in that way we are write the example listing to rule method. I am also write like that. Suppose I'm taking here, तुम्हाला समजावं म्हणून आणखीन काही वेगवेगळ्या पद्धतीने लिहिता येते का आपण चेक करू. Suppose x such that x is even number, x is even number, comma and comma 2. I'm taking now limit. Look at here. Suppose I'm writing in that way. तर हे चुकतंय, कारण याचा अर्थ काय होतो, इन बिटवीन 2 to 8 झाला, बिटवीन 2 and 8. याचा अर्थ 2 आणि 8 येत नाही याच्यामध्ये. तर ते घ्यायचं असेल तर काय करावं लागेल, लाईक दॅट. याला एक अशा प्रकारची रेष ओढायची. इथं दिसते का तुम्हाला? 1 मिनिट. एक अशा प्रकारची रेष ओढायची, लाईक दॅट साइन. अशा प्रकारचं चिन्ह वापरू शकता तुम्ही. याला म्हणायचं ग्रेटर दॅन ऑर इक्वल टू, लेस दॅन ऑर इक्वल टू. इक्वल टू चा अर्थ काय होतो बाळांनो? या चिन्हाचा अर्थ काय, याच्या सह झाला. मीन्स एक्स इज ग्रेटर दॅन ऑर इक्वल टू 2. म्हणजे एक्स हा 2 पेक्षा किंवा 2 ला सोबत घेऊन मोठा आहे, म्हणजे 2 ला घेतलंय त्याने. अँड x is less than 8 or equal to, less than or equal to 8. म्हणजे 8 पर्यंत थांबू शकतो तो. ही जर रेष ओढली नाही तर 8 आणि 2 याच्यामध्ये येत नाही. आय थिंक यू आर गेटिंग माय पॉइंट. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सेकंड एक्झाम्पल. इट इज द 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4, I think it is the, first you have to consider the what is property. First consider what is the property. 4 and minus 4, I think it is the square root of 16. 16चं वर्गमूळ काढून पहा तुम्ही. It will become 4 and minus 4, because square of positive number is also positive, square of minus negative number is also positive. So square of 4 is equal to 16. Square of minus 4 is also 16. So it is a square root. So in that way, we are now writing b is equal to, suppose y, such that y is number, comma y square is equal to 16. Like in that way, means what? It is a square root. तुम्ही असंही लिहू शकता की y is equal to तुम्ही असंही लिहू शकता. हे बघा, y is equal to under root 16. असंही लिहू शकता, पण याचाच आणखीन चांगला अर्थ काय येईल की y square is equal to 16. So that's why we are taking y square is equal to 16. After taking a square root, y is equal to exact 4 and minus 4. I think you are getting my point. Let's start third example. Third example is what? It is 2, 4, 6 and so on. And so on. Means it is so on. So C is equal to X such that X is even number. But dear student, look at here. It is any limitation? There is no limitation. So just it is answer. X is even number. Fourth example. What is here? D is equal to Y such that Y is the element of I. I means what? I means it is the integers. Integers means positive, negative number including to 0. And what is the range is given here? Look at here. What is the range? Range is -2. Y is greater than -2, less than 2. Means it is between -2 and 2. Between -2 and 2. So what is the answer? -2 and 2. I think not including 2, -2 and 2. So it is, I think, -1, 0, 1. So I'm going to write here now in listing method. It will become -1, 0 and 1. Suppose there is the example in that like way. So what is answer of that example? Y is greater than or equal to 2 and Y is less than or equal to 2. Means what? It is including with -2. Means -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2. I think you are getting my point. Now the final example is what? Here is M. M is X such that X is odd numbers. There is no limitations are given. So we are going to write here example M. M is equal to odd numbers means all odd numbers 1, 3, 5 and so on. That is our the conversion of listing method to rule method. मला असं वाटतं की तुम्हाला हा सगळ्यांना समजला असेल. आपण आणखीन काही उदाहरणं पुढच्या लेक्चर्स मध्ये घेऊया. आत्तापुरते इथं थांबूया आपण. तुम्हाला हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, सबस्क्राईब करा आणि शेअर करा. थँक्यू.